Feed a Loon. I'm Chris.
And I'm Wesley.
My high-kicking Loon.
Yeah.
He's a kicker.
I haven't done a high kick in a very long time.
And you should probably leave it at that. I mean, I don't know. I mean, you live your life high-kicking along. So today, folks, we're continuing our series, I guess you could say, of doing
just some healthier choices.
Somewhat more nutritious. This is great.
Yeah.
We haven't done a side dish in a while.
Yeah.
And
this is one of our favorites.
One of our favorites.
It doesn't, I mean, healthy or not, this is a delicious.
Oh, we have it all the time. But especially when you're trying to maybe drop a pound or two, this is primo delicious.
Perfect.
Let's tell them what it is. It's our roasted broccoli with a kick. Yay!
A kick.
And a kick and a kick and a kick.
And I'm 50.
That's right. And so this is what we're going to do. We like to add a little bit of spice to this because, we want to amp up we're always looking to amp up the flavors.
Yeah, we love a kick.
We're flavor ampers.
Yes.
And but you can, like so many of the dishes that we show you, you can adjust this to whatever you're liking. So this has got a little bit of heat to it, but not too much.
Right.
So let's
talk about those broccoli.
Let me talk about this.
But I'm going to also, well, you could talk
Let me
about
just talk about this. So fresh is best, I always say, especially when it comes to broccoli. So all I do is I go to the supermarket, go to the produce section, and get 2 heads. You can get 2 heads of broccoli. A lot of times they'll sell just the crowns, and you just get a knife and just cut away the, kind of
leave a little bit of a stem.
Yeah,
I like a little.
Well, there's a lot of nutrients in the stems, and there's a lot of flavor, and these are little florets.
I love a good floret.
I love a good floret. Anyway, and so that's. You see what that is? This is going to.
So that's 2 crowns, basically.
2 crowns. 2 crowns of broccoli that we roughly cut up.
All right,
okay.
well, let's talk about the kick.
Let's talk about
so
the sauce.
We're going to spread this all over these amazing broccoli bites. So we've got 2 tablespoons. It's ready.
Oh,
2 tablespoons of olive oil in here first, and then we're going to put 2 tablespoons of
chili paste.
Chili paste. I'm like tomato paste.
So chili paste this is where we get the kick. So we just love it. It's often found in the Asian section of your supermarket, or sometimes you'll find it in the condiments next to ketchup, and it's got fresh chilies in it, so that's what gives it the
spicy.
And a lot of times you'll see garlic chili paste. That's really good too.
We're gonna throw some more flavor in there with some soy sauce. That's a tablespoon.
A tablespoon of soy sauce
and some citrus. So we want a tablespoon of freshly squeezed lemon,
or like the juice of a half a lemon.
Yep. And then 2 cloves of garlic minced.
We're talking flavor, folks.
Yes,
but not a lot of calories. This is really good for you.
So good. And then we have a 1/4 teaspoon of, don't fling it, say it, don't fling it.
Just put it in there.
Yes.
A 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. And then the Loon is going to mix that up.
Well, you gave me this giant whisk.
I know. Well, it's, it's something to really whisk your troubles away with. And then so you're going to want to put this all in a large bowl. Okay, I think that's good. That's great. And then the Loon is at work in the kitchen.
He's so impatient whenever I'm doing something.
Well, it's because I like to get things on the table before midnight. Okay, so now, I'm tossing florets.
See, that's what happens.
Well, I know. Okay, so now we just toss this. We've got our oven. You want your oven nice and hot, so we've got it at 425 degrees. And just the process of roasting, the process of roasting, already it's going to enhance the flavors. It brings out even more of that amazing broccoli taste that we love so much.
All right.
Okay, we're just going to put that in there. They're nicely coated.
Yes.
Careful. Don't want to lose anything. I'm a flinging. Okay, now let's just kind of move that around. Yeah. You could also do this. We often do this on just like a baking sheet, a cookie sheet. That's no problem at all. And it's going to go in for, what did we say? We do this for
15 minutes.
15 minutes. Halfway through, I usually give it just a little bit of a jostling, just so it gets a fair cooking. And that's all there is to it. It's so perfect for a weeknight. Okay, let's do it.
Let's do it.
Okay, it's so easy, and the smell is just amazing.
I love it.
All right. Oh, look at that. Yay, watch your face,
wonderful.
don't burn your face.
Oh, wonderful.
Isn't that beautiful?
Yay, that is the perfect side. It's fast, easy, and
it's
delicious.
And it's good for you, but more than anything, it's just delicious. Look at that, isn't that beautiful?
I love it.
Okay,
I love it.
Just
okay. We have another siren.
Yeah.
If you can hear it, because you'll hear a dog here shortly.
Yeah. Why we decided to set up shop next to the fire station, we'll never know. Well, it's probably a good thing, because as much as we use with today we're not deep frying, so.
It's okay, Abby.
Okay. All right, that's now. Normally, we'd love to have a little, some like
Love it.
some fit like tilapia or some swordfish.
Yes,
or I
that
should
sounds
probably
so
close
good.
them.
Oh, sorry. I'm like, why is it so hot?
I
in
know
here?
it's warm on my tush.
Look, and I just love the color. And
It's so vibrant, and you guys, this is great. It's good, right?
it is so good.
This is our favorite when we're really like, all right, we got to shed a few pounds.
Oh,
It makes it all okay.
yeah, I love that. The spice level is just perfect.
yeah.
That pepper or whatever the paste is.
chili paste.
Chili paste is so good.
It's really deeply flavorful, and it's used. It is used a lot of times in Asian cooking, and there's something about it that is just. It's one of those that is just kind of you feel it on the way.
Totally.
It comes in. Just it's not too much.
And the soy sauce, just perfect.
The lemon.
So good.
It's
100% Loon approved.
Yeah, I was about to
Thanks
say-
for like saying it for
well,
me.
I have to coach you. Okay. Oh, and the tenderness. They're just tender, right? Oh, good. It's a good way to get your kids to eat the vegetables.
That's right. Sorry, my mouth is full.
Well,
You can get this recipe on howtofeedaloon.com.
so delicious. And be sure to go to our social media, like us, share us, do all that stuff. I have broccoli in my teeth, so please don't hate me. And you guys, here's to living healthy
Yes.
and a long life.
Here's to 2021 being different than 2020. There we go.
Okay. All right, bye, you guys. Love you. Hey, everybody.
Hi guys! Now if you want to be a part of the Loon Fun, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit that little bell icon so you won't miss a single recipe.
That's right. Oh, and speaking of recipes, if you want another amazing recipe like this, then just click right here.
Yeah, click!
Click!
Subscribe!
It's so much fun.